Okay, first you go to Kubota link and you log in under your username. Then you're going to go and click up at the top to Whole Goods. And then you're going to click over to Order Entry. Okay, from here, you're going to select which type of order. And for most orders that we're going to place, they're going to be a retail order. Okay, first thing you need to do is create a PO. That PO, you really just want to reference what it's about so that when you see it, whenever you try to look it up or it comes actually physically to the store, you have some point of reference. So for this example, we're just going to say test Alex. Your requested delivery date, typically like on these deals, this is something we need. So you just pick the current month you're in. Make sure your select ship to, that's typically never going to change. So just leave it as your default location and then you click next. From here, you're going to click on product type and select what it is you want. So in this example, we'll use an attachment, and we're going to say, or rather, let's use a tractor. And we're going to get an L-Series tractor. We're going to pick what it is we want. Let's say a 2501 DT. And then we need to select the payment method. This, we always want to pick truckload prepaid because LTL means it's going to put it on a truck that's not full, and they'll send it. That's if we needed it really quick, but the price for that's really expensive. So typically we just want it on a truckload. And then depending on what it is, so this is already going to tell you, you can pick up what tire combo you want. That's going to be some R1s for this. Depending on what machine it is, you might want to click on configuration options and go through that and pick out what it is. If it's an attachment, a lot of times you don't have to configure it. You're just getting that, but sometimes there can be. So just need to know the product well enough so you know you're getting what options you need and what it is you're going to use. So then from there, we're going to click Add, and you'll scroll down a little bit. This will then put it on the screen for the order. This is what you want to click next. This bottom left button, the Show Estimated Availability. You click that. This will actually tell you where it's at, where it's going to come out of, and what the availability is. This is really important so you know where it's going to come out of and how quickly you can get it. Sometimes whenever you configure those deals, if we put a lot of options on this tractor, like maybe a canopy or a remote, depending on the machine, sometimes you can have the tractor be there and the specific other piece of equipment might not be, and so they might hold it up. In those instances, you want to call maybe Vicky Joe and work out, if you need the machine and the specific add-on can wait, you can work that out with them, with Kubota. So that'll be on a case-by-case basis. But from there, you'll click Next, and it'll prompt you. I'm not going to click it so that I don't accidentally order something that we don't need, but you'll go through that, and it'll be easy to prompt through and tell you what you need, and you can print off the order. So if you do find something that you need to make changes on, you need to get help from Vicky Joe, when you go to the next screen, it'll give you the list. It will give you a prompt to print it. Go ahead and print that, and then you can forward that order to Vicky Joe or the people at Kubota to get some help. That way they know what you're referencing, the order itself. So, and a lot of times you'll want to go ahead and place that order and then call them, because if you are hesitant to order because of the order date, so long as you're good about calling them right then, if something's going to change your mind because of the availability, you can always have them cancel that order. So anyway, that is how you order from Kubota.